Yes, welcome back students for the next class on admission of partner. In the previous class we learned calculation of new profit sharing ratio under two methods. Today we learn two more methods of calculating new profit sharing ratio. So the third method, when old ratio of old partners is given and the new partner share is also given in the firm. Now how the new partner is going to get, nothing is stated in this particular method. We know only the old ratio of old partners and what share the new partner is going to get. That much only is given. So when such method is stated, we have to first give off the new partner share, and then whatever balance is remaining, that is to be shared by the old partners in their respective old ratios. So you are having the formula first to find the remaining portion. Remaining portion is total share minus new partner's share. Total share minus new partner share. After getting the remaining portion, you have to apply the formula new profit sharing ratio, which is old ratio into remaining portion. So these two formulas have to be first taken into consideration. Even if you don't write the first formula, second formula is compulsory to be written. Yes, we'll see some examples under this method. Now we are having sun and moon are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Earth for 1/5 share in this as a new partner, and they are giving him 1/5 share in future profits. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of all partners. So now we'll see what is the old ratio of sun and moon. It is how much? 3:2, that is 3/5 and 2/5. Now Earth is getting 1/5 share. So now first we have to see what is the remaining portion. So for that purpose we will assume the whole share to be 1. So let the whole share be 1. Then remaining portion will be 1 minus 1/5. That is 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 5 gives me 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is the remaining portion. Now what I will do is, I will take 4/5 and distribute it to the old partners in the ratio of 3:2 between sun and moon. So new profit sharing ratio is old ratio into remaining portion. Old ratio of sun is 3 by 5 and remaining portion is 4 by 5. Multiply both the denominators, you will get 12. Now multiply both the denominators, will get 25. Similarly come for moon. Moon share is 2 by 5 and remaining share is 4 by 5. So multiply 4 by 5 into 2 by 5, you will get 8 by 5. Now we are going to write the new profit sharing ratio. Now sun's share is 12, moon's share is 8. So 12 plus 8 gives me 20. Now the balance is how much? 5. That is the remaining portion of Earth. So total of the new profit sharing should be the denominator of the old partners new profit sharing ratio. So this total, if I take 12 plus 8 plus 5 gives me 25. So your total share is 25, which is distributed to sun, moon and earth in the ratio of 12:8:5. Yes, one more problem. Now Radha and Rukmini are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Gopi as a new partner for 1/4 share. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Now Radha and Rukmini, they are 2:1 or 2/3 and 1/3. Now Gopi is getting 1/4 share. So now what will be the new partner's share? Will be 1/4. So out of the total firm, so what we are assuming? Total firm share is 1. So of this 1, first give off 1/4, that is Gopi's share. So 1/1 minus 1/4 gives me 3/4. Now this 3/4 is to be distributed in the ratio of 2:1 to the old partners. So remaining share 3:4 or 3/4. Now this 3/4 is distributed to Radha and Rukmini in their respective share. So 3/4 into 2/3 gives me how much? 12/6. Now for Rukmini, remaining portion into old ratio 3/4 into 1/3 gives me 3/12. So now the answer is 6/12 is to 3/12 is to 3/12. Now how this 3/12 is got? See, the new partner share is calculated how? 12 is the total share. Now of this 12, six shares are taken by Radha and 3 shares are taken by Rukmini. So 6 plus 3 gives me 9. From 12 minus 9, the balance will be 3. That 3 is taken as incoming partner's share. So your this ratio can be simplified still further as 2:1:1. So all are divisible by 3. So you can take it as 2:1:1. Yes, now the next method. Now old ratio of the old partners is given and a part of their share sacrificed are given in the problem. So now old ratio and part of their sacrifice ratio is given. That means whatever information is given is only related to old partners. How the incoming partner share is, for what share he has agreed is not known. So when such things are given in the problem, the following way it has to be solved. So we are having under this method, old partner share is given in the manner in which the surrender portion is given in favor of the new. In such a case, new partner's profit share of the old partners is to be first calculated. New profit share ratio of old partners is calculated and then it is deducted from the old share. Then the share sacrificed and this by the old partners is added to get the new partner's share. So what it is? See, the old partner's share is given. Followed? The manner how they are sacrificed is given. So when I know these two, first I will find what is the sacrifice ratio of the old partners. Followed? From the sacrifice ratio and old ratio, I will deduct and get the new ratio of old partners. And then the new partner share will be taken by adding the sacrificed share of old partners. So you're having the formula new share is equals to old share minus share sacrificed. So now we'll see a problem. A and B are partners in a firm. Now they are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C as a new partner. A surrenders or gives off 1/4 of his share and B is surrendering 1/3 of his share for the incoming partner C. Now I should calculate new profit sharing ratio. So solution, old ratio or old share minus share sacrificed gives me new partner of A and B. Yes. So the old share of A and B is 3:2, that is 3/5 and 2/5. A is giving off 1/4 and B is giving 1/3. So only this part is known in the problem. I do not know anything relating to C's actual share. So first I will find what is the sacrifice ratio. So now sacrifice ratio has to be calculated, that is old ratio into share sacrificed. So what I have done, 3/5 into 1/5, I will get 3/20. This is sacrifice ratio of A. Similarly, B's sacrifice ratio I will see 2/5 into 1/3, that is 2/15. Now new share is equals to old share minus share sacrificed. So A's new share 3/5 and 3/20. Now I should see the LCM of 3 and 20. If LCM is not possible, directly you all can multiply 20 into 5 and write here. But the common factor is 20, so we'll take 20 as the denominator. 20 will go in itself by 1 and it will go in 5 by this 4 times. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 1s are 3. So the new ratio of A will be 9/20. Now coming to B's share. B's old ratio is 2/5 and the sacrificed ratio is 2/15. So now common factor will be again 15. 15 will go in 5 3 times and it goes in itself 1 time. So 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So the total will give me 4/15. So I know what is the new profit ratio of A and B. Now coming to C's share. What we should do? We should add A's sacrifice ratio and B's sacrifice ratio. What is their sacrifice ratio? The sacrifice ratio is 9/20 plus 4/15. So the total share will be how much? It will be 60, because when I remove LCM of 20 and 15, the ratio will be 6. So I will multiply 60 into 3 and 60 will go into 15 4 times. So 9 3s are 27, 4 4s are 16. So the total will be 43/60. Followed? So now the answer will be 9/27 is to 4/15 is to 17/60, or to get the denominator 60 I should multiply all with the respective share. It will be 27/60, 16/60 and it will be 17/60. So this is the new share. So the total share sacrificed of the old partners, the LCM of 20 and 15 is 60. To calculate the ratio of all now to calculate the new ratio, the total is treated as 60 and then distributed in the respective shares. So we'll see one more problem. Raja and Rani are partners. Followed, they admit monthly and the old share is 7:3. So Raja and Rani are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3. Mantri is admitted in partnership. Now Raja is giving half of his share and Rani is giving 1/4 of her share in favor of Mantri. Now I should calculate new profit sharing ratio. So new profit sharing ratio, old minus sacrifice ratio. Old ratio of Raja Rani 3/7:3, that is 7/10 and 3/10. Surrender ratio is Raja half 1/2 and Rani 1/4. Now new sacrifice ratio, old ratio into share sacrificed. So Raja 7/10 into half, it will be 7/20. Rani 3/10 minus into 4/10 gives me 3 by 40. Now Raja's share, it is new share. How much it is? 7 upon 10 minus 7 by 20. Common factor is 20. So in 10, 20 goes 2 times. So I will have 7 2s are 14 minus 7. I will get 7 by 20. Now Rani's share. Rani's share is 3 upon 10 and 3 by 40. So again common factor will be 40. In 10, 40 goes 4 times. So 3 4s are 12. And in 40 it will go 1 time. So 3 1s are 3. 12 minus 3, 9 by 40. Now Mantri's share is how much? Raja's share plus Rani's share. Therefore 7 upon 20 plus 3 upon 40. Total will be again how much? 14 plus 3, because 40 will be the common factor LCM. So it will go in 20 2 times and in 40 1 time. So 7 2s are 14 plus 3. It will be giving 17 by 40. So NPRS is 14 upon 40, 9 upon 40 and 17 upon 40. That will be 14 is to 9 is to 7. So this is how the new profit ratios are calculated. We'll see for next this accounting part in the next class. Thank you.